morning, this is the exacttrades.com movers report for August 17th, 2011. First, we're taking a look at TGT, gapping up here, probably going to open between this 52.50 and 52. Possibly could pull back and open around 51.50. We're going to look to take this long today. Look for a move above the high of the day. It could have a pullback from the open. Set your alert, see if it'll push through that open or that high of the day, and then take it long. First profit target is going to be 1%, then 2%, and then trail a stop on your last piece. Next we have CHS, gapping up, going to open somewhere above this resistance level back here from about 3 sessions ago. Could open as high as 14. Going to look to take this long on the new high of the day. Profit target is going to be 1% from your average entry price. Look at 2% possibly for that second, and then leave a trailing stop on your last piece to try to get a trend up for most of the day. Now we're looking at SNY. Going to open around this 36 mark. We could get a pullback, but not enough money for me really to take this short. I would look for this on the long side. So two ways: it could open and it could move right up, especially if you watch the market and you see that in the SPY we break through to new highs over the previous couple days. Then this could be a long pretty early within the first few minutes of the market. We could also get a pullback, wait for it to set a new high of the day and move higher, then take it long. 1% profit target from your average entry, so it's going to be about 35 to 40 cents from your entries where you're going to want to take that first piece off of your position. Second target is going to be about 2%, and then trail a stop on your last piece, see if you can get more out of the trade. Next we have CSIQ. You can see this resistance level right here, right around 8. So 799, 802. We want to take this long over 804. So let's see if this will hold up and then push through. Enter right there, 804. First profit target is going to be 812, and then take some more off at 820. I would leave some of your trade open to see if it can push through 820. Could move up into 840. So just be on the lookout for that. If we get a good break, could make a run for 840. Next we have BCSI. Looking like we're going to open here around 14. Could open as high as 1450. We're actually going to look to take this short. I'm going to look for some weakness and some selling. This could move up a little bit off of the open. Look for it to turn over and fail through a new low of the day. Take it short at that point. 1% profit target from your entry. You're going to be looking for about 15 cents from where you enter, and then look for about 30 cents from your entry for your second target, and then trail a stop on your last piece. Going to find some support here, possibly at 13. See if it can break down below that 13 mark. Could come into 12 and then possibly 12.50. Now we have Dell, DELL. You can see here pre-market gap down. Really had a little bit of a bounce up here into 1480, 85 area, and then we're selling back down into 1460, 1450. So I'm going to look for this to sell short below 1450. I would say 1449 right there. Look for that short right there. First profit target is going to be approximately 1435, and then next profit target is going to be 1420. I would leave some open to see if it can come down and test 14 on your last piece. And last trade is Flow, FLO. You can see here this support level. Back here we're gapping down, opening around 20. I would take this short below 1995, right in there. First profit target is going to be 1975, so right there. And then leave some for 1960 and then 1940 with your last piece. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.